Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick project share. I actually have two projects to share with you guys. I picked up some more dies last week. I'm not sure if I hauled them here or I hauled them on my Insta, but I did haul the Sizzix framelits by Stephanie Bernard, and this is like the flowers, the layered flowers. I was trying to play around with this yesterday, but I felt like I couldn't come up with good combinations. I have to try again. I was a little tired last night, so I kind of didn't give myself enough time to look at my paper stash and create some. But I did use these two right here to create these flowers that I'm going to show you guys. And I think they turned out pretty cute, and I might make some more tonight. So this is the die, and I picked up this die. I'll link down below the link to this die. But you guys, look how cute these little flowers turned out. I ended up using the leaves that I picked up at AliExpress. Let me take them out of the plastic so that the plastic, you guys can see them better. So it's just like the little medium-sized flower and then the little one layered on top. And then I put like these little acrylic roses, like little flowers that I found in my stash, right on top. And then I used the little leaves from AliExpress. And you guys, I think they look so cute. Aren't they cute? The paper that I used for these is the Flourish paper from Maggie Holmes. But you guys, I'm definitely gonna make some more. I'm probably gonna, now that I feel more comfortable the way they look, I think I'm gonna make bigger ones. And also one of my friends, Wandy, hey girl, she gave me a little tip to curl the edges, so I might do that as well as ink them. So there might be a different variety on these flowers with this die. And then you guys, I picked up the Holtz Halloween die. You guys know I showed you the card that I made the last time, which was this one with the die from the pumpkins. I found the one with the Dracula and Frankenstein, so I had to at least try one, especially this card, because I love the way the little wood panel background looked. I wanted to play around with it, kind of do my own twist to it, which I did. So let me show you guys what I created. Where's my card? Look, you guys, did that not turn out super cute? I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so that you guys can see every little detail, and I can show you guys what I did. I think it turned out so cute, you guys. I'm so happy with the way it looks. So what I did was, obviously this is just regular white cardstock as the card. The polka dot paper right here is from Holtz Halloween paper from last year. This is just regular craft paper. And since the die does come with an embossing folder, I just basically embossed some craft paper. Let me show you guys. Like this, as you can see. And then I just inked it with some of my Holtz distress ink in tea dye, and I just inked it all up. I also used like a brown marker to go over a little bit more of the edges to make it darker, and then I cut at an angle each board to make every board look, you know, like rigid and stuff. I added a little splotches of my white jelly roll pen. And then you guys, I'm not a good stamper, as I said before, so I didn't use, I'm pretty sure that whoever did this one colored it in from scratch. But what I did was I used this one right here. I used this distressing Shabby Shutters, and I inked up a white piece of cardstock, and it gave me the perfect green actually. And then this is just some yellow highlighter, and then let me see if I can bring it up closer. And then I used the jelly roll pen just to accent it out, the brown marker for the hair and stuff. And you guys, I'm really happy with the way it looks. The little corners have these little brads that I found in my stash. I just cut the back off and then just like hot glued them down. I put the gold pen that I use all the time around the edges of the card. Also little bits and pieces on the wood little panels. And then I used the stamp, of course, that comes with the die, wishing you a spooky Halloween. Made it look kind of creepy because it's Halloween. But you guys, overall, I absolutely love how it turned out. These dies are amazing, and I cannot wait to play with the Dracula one to see how it turns out. But this was so fun to make. And it took me about maybe half hour, just because I was kind of playing around with the colors of papers that I wanted to use. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys like the card, if you guys like the flowers, do you have the die, say hello, anything. I haven't been making videos because you guys know the struggle with my channel right now. I feel like it's just not cooperating with me, so I'm making super short videos until I figure out what's going on. But yeah, that's it for this video. You guys, my giveaway challenge is almost over. It's up until the 31st of August. So if you haven't sent in an entry and you want to, you still have 1 week left. Winners will be announced September 2nd. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.